Have you ever wanted to make great and awesome videos from your computer? Most people I know use this program called OBS. And this is the basic structure of how OBS works. You go here and you create a scene. Down here you can add a new scene. Once you have a scene, you can add objects to your scene, such as my Logitech webcam. So I will make that visible. I added this multicolor logo, which I can turn off and on. I have the audio input capture from my microphone, and then the audio input capture from the webcam itself. If you want to delete something, you just right-click on it and hit remove. And then it'll verify if you want to do that. If you want to add a screen, you can hit display capture, and then this is my secondary monitor. You can go down to the plus button right here and add whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I want to add the audio input capture for my webcam. I currently have my USB microphone. We'll go over here to create new. I could type in webcam if I like, or I can leave it alone. You hit OK. It's going to say what device do you want. I'm going to pick the C922 Pro Stream webcam, hit OK, and boom. Now the webcam right there in stereo is showing me how much it's recording. Obviously it's hitting the red area, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And now if I was to click the recording button over here, you click this little wheel button to tell it what folder to record in. You click start recording and boom. I'm live recording this video right here. And this is the output. I'm showing the secondary screen, which is actually this monitor up here, has a notepad on it. I'm showing my webcam. I can actually move the webcam around. I can change the webcam shape and size. I'm recording from two separate microphones simultaneously, the one here on my desk and the one here on my webcam. So this is a quick little overview. I can add additional devices for display capture. I can capture the screen on my main screen. I can also add and capture just from one particular application. So you can add applications, you can add the full screen, you can add whatever you want. You can also, in the settings area, define your output. I'm recording right now and saving this as a 1080p, even though my screen here is 4K. The top monitor is 1080p. And then you can also, just like Photoshop, adjust what is the background and what is the foreground. So if I take this and put it above my webcam, so now it is the top one. Now let's take the logo and put it at the top, and now that one appears again. Also, with the logo, you can make it semi-transparent. I use blending mode, additive, and then that makes it very, very transparent. So if you see right here, we'll bring up the webcam, we'll put that right above the background, then we'll drag it over here. And through my logo, you can see my shirt and even my really cool suspenders. Anyway, have a good day. That's a quick, dirty overview of OBS and how to use it. If you set up multiple scenes, you can use this menu to transform from one scene to another. I have another scene with a different display. What's awesome about OBS is I've attached up to 5 separate webcams using different scenes. I can actually do transitions like I'm doing an interview. You can basically in real time create a nice video. You can also get graphics that make an entire frame all the way around your screen. And instead of recording, you can set up the correct credentials and stream straight to websites like Facebook, Twitch, or YouTube. All this awesomeness. So if you want to learn how to do this, just let me know and you can find out tons about it.